Hey YouTube, how's it going? Chilly morning here in Texas and I don't have a jacket on, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Don't have a steering column anymore. It has been removed. So now I can't even push it anywhere. But that's okay, because my new steering column is right here. And here's the old one. And there's the old shaft. And the only reason why the new one is not installed yet is because the connections were a little bit different than I thought they would be. This one has a 1-inch DD shaft on the end of it, and the original one you can see has a spline shaft on the end of it. So what that means is, in order to put the new one in, I'm buying a 3/4 inch DD shaft that will be cut to length, that will, you know, fill this area right here. And what you do is you buy a 13/16 -36 spline joint that converts down to a 3/4 inch DD, and then up here, like I said, the steering column is 1-inch DD, and then you just buy another U joint that goes from 1-inch to 3/4 inch DD, and then you will have your steering system connected. And you know, that one, obviously it doesn't have the firewall plate and things like that, so that will have to be, you know, kind of custom made a little bit. And then but it shouldn't take too long. It's definitely not hard, just a little bit of labor, and I'll have my new steering column with a new ignition in it, which is one step closer to starting this thing up. So yeah, hopefully that will be done soon. Check back later. Thanks.